boys and girls. For reading, we're going to go ahead and read A Desert in Bloom again, and this time I'm going to be asking you questions. The desert is hot. The desert is dry. How can desert flowers grow there? What is a desert? Desert. A desert is a dry area of land with few plants and animals. The desert soil is full of seeds. Can you show me where the soil is? Yes, the dirt. Soil is the loose earth in which plants grow. From looking at the first two pictures, this one and the previous one, what can you tell me about deserts? How are they? Dry and full of seeds. In summer, the ground is hot and dry. The seeds do not grow. Ground. The ground is the soil or dirt on the surface of the earth. Can you tell me why the seeds do not grow in summer? Yes, because it's hot and dry. What do seeds need to grow? Yes, they need water, sunlight, air, and space to grow. In fall, the ground gets cool from cloudy days. The seeds do not grow. In winter, the ground gets soaked with rain. The seeds start to grow. Can you tell me why do the seeds start to grow in winter? Yes, because they're being soaked with rain, and they need rain to grow. In spring, the ground gets warm from the sun. Colorful flowers bloom. When summer returns, it gets hot. The flowers die. Their seeds rest in the ground until spring comes again. Why do the flowers die? Yes, because it gets really hot. Now you know how desert flowers grow. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to our decodable book, We Got Lost. Before we begin, let's look at our words. Short A, grab, lamp, last, map. Long A words, cave, plates, safe, same, take. Consonant G, get, go, grab, legs. Consonant Q, quick, quit, are high frequency words. All, eat, look. Our, soon, they, walk, want, where. We take a walk. They all look the same. We get lost. What looks the same? The paths. There's 3 that look the same. We want to eat soon. We are wet. Why are they wet? Yes, it is raining. We step in a cave. We do not see where to go. We find a lamp. We find a map. The words in the story match the picture. Lamp, here's a lamp. Map, here's a map. Quick, we walk fast. Our legs do not quit. We are safe at last. We grab plates. We eat it up. The end. Next, we're going to go ahead and work on spelling words. So spelling words, let's read them first. Can you sound this one out? Flag. Flag. Stop. Stop. Slip. Slip. Trap. Trap. Before we read this word, look, there's 2 vowels side by side. When 2 vowels go walking, sometimes the first one does the talking and the second one is quiet. So let's sound it out. Eat. Eat. The next one, walk. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and match the spelling words to the pictures. Looking at this picture, which spelling word best matches it? Eat. Looking at this picture, which one matches it? Trap. Looking at this picture, which of the spelling words matches it? Slip. Looking at this picture, which of the spelling words matches? Stop. Wave the flag. Take a walk. Good job. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to the reading packet. For today, we're going to be working on the letter C. Written response. Directions. Trace the letters, then write your own letters. When you are tracing the letter C, you start at the top, you go all around, and you stop right there. Let's try it again. You start at the top, you go around, all the way to the bottom, and then we stop right there. Go ahead and write your own. You can write about 3 or 4 more. One, two, 3, 4. The capital C touches the top line and the bottom line. Now let's look at the lowercase c. We're going to do the same thing but smaller, and it's only going to touch the middle line and the bottom. You start, you go all around, and you stop. Go ahead and trace again. You start at the top, you go around, and you stop. Go ahead and trace it. And then when you finish tracing it, go ahead and write it. You're going to go ahead and write it 4 more times. Okay, next it says, draw a picture of your favorite sport or game, then write about it. What is your favorite sport? Wow, that sounds like fun. That's great. Go ahead and draw a picture of your favorite sport, and then you can write about it. To get started, we can write, I like to play and then you can write down what sport you like to play. Don't forget to put a period at the end. The next page, quick check. Number 1, which word starts with the k sound? Cars, pup, box. Cars. Go ahead and bubble it in. Let's look at number 2. Which word has only one meaning? Ball, coach, big. Ball can be talking about like a baseball or a dance. So ball has 2 meanings. Coach. Coach can be when someone's teaching you how to play something, or it could be a person. Big. Yes, big. Number 3, what question does the title answer? This is referring to the story. Let's go back and look at the story. Coach. Coach is strong. She can throw the ball far. Coach is fast. She can run like the wind. Coach is tall. She can catch a ball up high. Coach is sharp. She can teach me how to play. Here is our title, Coach. What question does the title answer? How do you play? Who is in the story? What is a coach? What question does the title answer? Yes, who is in the story? Number 4, how fast is Coach? Coach runs like the wind. Coach is slow. Coach is tall. Let's go to the story to find the answer. Coach is fast. She can run like the wind. Good job. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to math. For math, we're continuing with solid figures. Jackson wants to find objects that have the same shape as these solid figures. How can he find objects that have the same shape? Draw objects below the solid figure with the same shape. What shape is this? A cone. Can you think of something that has the same shape? An ice cream cone. Can you think of another picture or another item that has the cone shape? Yes, a safety cone. Let's look at the next shape. Do you know what this is? Cylinder. Can you think of objects that have a cylinder shape? Yes, a can of beans. Or a can of corn, a tube, what shape is this? A sphere. Can you think of an object that looks like a sphere? Yes. A basketball, a baseball, can you think of another object that has a sphere shape? Yes. A bouncy ball. The globe. Let's look at the next one. What shape is this? A cube. Can you think of an object that is shaped like a cube? Yes, some TVs look like a cube. Also a box. A box looks like a cube. Let's go ahead and look at our video.
Let's name some shapes. Jackson is holding a box. What shape is the box?
Yes, it's a cube.
The shape of the box is a cube. What else can you think of that is shaped like a cube? A tissue box is shaped like a cube. Now Jackson is holding a can of soup. What shape is the can of soup?
Cylinder.
The shape of the can is a cylinder. What else can you think of that is shaped like a cylinder? A roll of paper towels is shaped like a cylinder. Now Jackson is holding a party hat. What shape is the party hat? The shape of the party hat is a cone. What else can you think of that is shaped like a cone? An ice cream cone is shaped like a cone. Now Jackson is holding a beach ball. What shape is the beach ball? The shape of the beach ball is a sphere. What else can you think of that is shaped like a sphere? A soccer ball is shaped like a sphere. Now you know how to name shapes that you see.
For number 1 and number 2, we're going to name the solid figure on the left of the line, and then we're going to circle the solid figure on the right side that matches the left side. What shape is this? Sphere. Which of these objects is a sphere? Number 2, what shape is this? A cube. Which of these shapes is a cube? Okay, so for 3 through 8, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to name the shape and then circle the object that has the same shape. What shape is this? Cylinder. Can you find the cylinder? Yes. What shape is this? Cone. Can you find the cone? Right here. What shape is this? Cube. Looking at these objects, which one is also a cube? The tissue box. Number 6. We have a cone. Look at the objects. Which one has a cone shape? The funnel. Number 7, what shape is this? A cylinder. Can you find the object that has a cylinder shape? The candle. Number 8, what shape is this? A sphere. Can you find another object that looks like the sphere? The baseball. For number 9 and number 10, we're going to look at the object on the left side, and we're going to go ahead and circle the object that matches it. Number 9, what shape is this? It's a cylinder. Can you find the object that matches? Yes. Number 10, what is this? A block, and what shape is it? A cube. Can you find the cube? For number 11, we're going to name this picture, and then we're going to circle 2 objects on the right that have the same shape. What is this? Cylinder. Can you find 2 cylinders? Yes, the flashlight has a cylinder shape. Can you find the other cylinder? The paper towels. For number 12, we're going to name the solid figure on the left, and we're going to draw 2 more objects that have the same shape. What shape is this? A sphere. Can you think of another object that has the sphere shape? Yes, a beach ball, a soccer ball, and a basketball. The globe. Good job. For the math packet, our first page, Refocus, directions. Color the shapes to match these. What shape is this? Circle. I'm going to go ahead and color all the circles. Do you see any more circles? Yes, right here. Okay, next. What shape is this? Yes, a square. Can you find the squares? Should be. Yes, this is a square. Do you see any more squares? Right here. And you can color the shapes whichever colors you choose. What shape is this? Yes, a triangle. Go ahead and color all the triangles. How many sides do a triangle have? Yes, it has 3 sides. What shape is this? Yes, it's a rectangle. Can you color all the rectangles? How many sides does a rectangle have? 4. How many vertices? 4. Next page. Independent practice. Follow the rules below. Number 1, draw a triangle. How do I draw a triangle? Yes, it has 3 sides. Draw a hexagon. What's a hexagon? Yes, a hexagon is a shape that has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 2 sides are the same length and the top and the bottom are the same length. Number 2, put an X on the circles. Do you see any more circles? Yes, right here. Circle the squares. Try this. Make your own shape with curved lines. Make one with corners. So first let's draw a shape with curved lines. Next, make one with corners. Awesome. Go ahead, you can draw mine or you can draw your own. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to science. For science, we're talking about how to sort plants and animals. Today, we're going to focus on animals. Animals are different colors and sizes. Animals have different body coverings. Animals have different ways of moving. Look at the animals in the pictures. Which animals are alike in one way? Yes, the fish and the frog are green. How about how they move? Yes. The frog and the fish can move in the water. The frog and the snake can move on land. How can you sort animals? Circle the animals that are the same color. Let's look at the first row. Which of these are the same color? The lizard, grasshopper, and fish. They are all green. Circle the animals that are small. So looking at these animals, which ones are small? The frog and the butterfly and the fish. Giraffes are very tall. Circle the animals that have fur. Yes, the bear has fur, the lion, and the dog. Next, we're going to move on to social studies. We're talking about life then and now. We have some words here. A timeline, community, calendar, hero. We're going to match these words to the picture. Where does timeline go? Can you find where in this picture timeline goes? Yes, right here. Our next word is community. Can you find where it goes? Yes, community goes over here. Next is calendar. Can you find the calendar? Next is hero. Can you find where the picture goes? The word goes here with heroes. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and listen to a quick song about how we share history.